Page 248. This is the one at the bottom of the page. There's no title for it, but there it is in all its glory. Again, let me hear the melody. It's two sharps in here. I don't know if it's D major or B minor yet. Right now, I'm just going to play the melody. It's a... Now that's repeated, but for now I'm going on. I don't like that fingering. This is measures 8 and 9, going from here to here. No. If I take the notes in measures 8 and 9, all of them, here, 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 that's a D chord. And that's the fingering for it in extended position. We extend out to the octave, and that's it. That's the fingering I'm going to use. So I'm going to use 3 on that one. So it's... Then I can do that. So I'm using a 3 there in measure 8 or 9 for the A. I could say there's nothing wrong with the fingering in the book, except in my opinion there is. There's no need to do that. You're just staying in a 5-finger position. That's beginner stuff. You're kind of getting out of that. We need to start spreading our wings a little bit. We're doing it already, so in my opinion, no. Now the chords. Well, we have to figure out what chord sounds good with these. And by the way, we are in the key of D major. Because D major and B minor sound different. And when I played that melody, I didn't sound like this harmony. So we're starting out, and it's whatever the notes are in the melody, I want a chord that goes along. So here, I mean, those are the notes in the 1 chord. That works. And that's a 2 chord right there. It says so. But I can play. And then the 5/7 chord. Here, and going on. Well, a 1 chord could be, because a 2 chord doesn't sound right. No. A 5/7 chord, possibly. There's an A in there. I could use a 5/7 chord there. This is the measure after the repeat sign. I can do a 5/7, and then a 2 chord. Sometimes you have possibility of more than 1 chord you can use. You just try them both out and use the one you like. Other people may give you better instruction on that, but that's what I do. Now they give you the pattern, so we're not doing block chords. By the way, when I repeat, I'm using 3 again. I'm not coming back down. I'm using this like we did between measures 8 and 9, yeah. Just funner and all good. I don't care for the piece, but that's it. Now they want you to transpose it to E major. We're just going up 1 note, 1/2 step. 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. So we got to include those, or just go up a 1/2 step from what's written. So instead of an A, we're going to go up for B. Instead of an F sharp, it's a here, and instead of a D, it's an E flat. Here. And just all the notes just go up a 1/2 step. All the notes went up a 1/2 step. That's all I did. Then the chords again, if we remember which chords we used, because I didn't write them down. It's 1 chord, then the 2 chord would be here. I'm putting C on the bottom. 5/7. So it's here. 2 chord. 5/7. Do the pattern. I just trying to figure out what the notes are, and then once I do that, I do that. You do it. But that's basically what it is as far as I can tell.